You've been doing fine so far with your Revit annotations. Now, I'll demonstrate how to use an image as a detail drawing. You should know that this is only allowed if you have the intellectual property rights to do so. Usually, in a professional workplace, you would have to draw your own version of the image first. But for a beginning exercise, this will be okay. Here. Watch my screen. I am going to add 2 detailed drawing views to a sheet in Revit. In Revit, they call it a drafting view, since it is drawn separately from the model itself. You will also see that there are some annotations added to the detailed drawing image that I will use. Here you see the empty sheet where the details will go. First, you need to make a new drafting view where you can insert the image. That's on the View ribbon. Click on the drafting view icon. Then give it a title and a scale of 1. You will find the drafting view in the project browser in a new area called Drafting Views. Next we insert the image. That is on the Insert ribbon, and there is an Insert Image icon that you can select. You have to tell Revit how big you want it to be when you put it onto the sheet. In this case, I chose 7 inches wide so that it will fit well on my 11 by 17 sheet. You can zoom in using the mouse wheel. Now we can add annotations. You have already seen those. They are on the annotation ribbon with the A text icon. Here, I choose to write "Justify my work" so that the equal signs line up. Follow the same process for any other drawing details that you want to add to your project. Once your drafting views are ready, you can add them to a sheet. Go to the sheet view and double-click to make it show on your screen. Then simply drag each drafting view onto the sheet and position them. Hold the mouse down to drag and then let go when it is over the sheet. You can then reposition it. Remember to save your file whenever you successfully finish a major step of your work.
Wow. That doesn't look too hard when you do it. I bet I'll make a few mistakes along the way, but I can always look back at this video if I need help.
Yes. And remember that you can also make an appointment with your professor whenever you have questions about how to do your work. I can't wait to see how yours turns out.